Hello everyone, welcome. It's Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life, and I am here to share with you my homemade how to kill a kit with style kind of kit share. So my goal here is I am going to go through the kits that have been kind of created for me. Most of them will be secret, not secret kit club ones that I've already gone through and done some with, and then there's ones like this one, which I'm starting off with for January, which is just a collection pack of papers. These papers are all from Paper House Productions, and I am going to go through each and every paper and decide what I want, what I don't. I am going to pick some of these. For example, this piece that you see me looking at right now, there's a couple pieces I really do like the one that says believe in yourself and the wild and free, just the sayings, not the whole sheet. And then I cut the rest of them out, and the ones that are worth saving and are full 4x6 or 3x4 Project Life type cards, I'm going to go ahead and keep and put to the side. And the rest of them are everything that isn't really worth saving, kind of just gets tossed. And I go ahead and do this, and I'm going to show you, and I've kept this in real-time video, so you're going to just kind of hang out with me while you see me kind of work through this process. My goal here is I want to basically create maybe 3 more layouts with this collection. I already have 2. The one that you saw at the very beginning was when I created spring of last year for someone's anniversary. I can't actually remember, but I love that layout so much. And then I created another one this summer in my summer series with Daisy, and that was using most of this collection as well. So I have 2 layouts already done, and I just would like to kind of finish it up, get my use out of it that I want. It has some super beautiful papers that I'd really love to use, and then move on. So I want to go through my stash. Daisy and I are talking a little bit about something special coming up March-ish, April-ish. It will really depend on when the baby arrives, how I do with with the difference between 2 and 3, and what my time is going to look like. So here you go. I've done one piece now. I'm going to go ahead and move on to the full sheets. And for example, like that sheet right there, that palm tree one, yeah, I'm just tossing it. I'm not going to use it. But the one with just like the palm leaves, that full sheet, it's not one that I personally think I'm going to use, so I do put it aside. And the same thing with like this blue one. I think I kind of trim it. I don't know. I like them. I'm sure I could use them for like a backing or something, but I'm not going to. So, and I don't want to keep things around. I have a decent enough stash. I'm sure we all do, where if I don't absolutely love it and I'm like, yes, I want to use this on a layout right now, I'm not wanting to keep it anymore. That's kind of my goal for 2019. My one little word is renew, and this is a way I'm renewing my scrap spaces. I'm getting rid of the things that I do not love, just keeping what I want, and it's going to benefit somebody in the end, because my goal here is I'm going to go through some things, and you're only going to see me go through this paper. You're not going to see me go through, I don't have any embellishments or anything for this. I'm not even sure if Paper House Production has full on paper collections along with embellishments. I honestly don't know. So you're not going to see me do that, but for me and for January and for this kit, you're just going to see how my brain kind of works. So for example, purple, though it is pretty, that one, I don't like that color purple in that design. That marble thing is just not me. And gems, I don't understand the gem craze that everyone had or has or whatever. I just don't get it. That's one I can't get on board with. I think I've used a couple of them just randomly, but yeah, it's not for me. So those are all going to go in my to give away pile. Now this sheet had more that I liked. I think part of it's the color tones. I like the white marble, random, right? But that one mixed in with the other one that has the gold, and all of these are slightly gold foiled. But the two of them together, I'm like, oh, I can see myself creating something with those two. So I'm going to keep those two. To me, I think I can make them work. But the one that says like fall in love with moments and the live, laugh, love, those two are going to go ahead and be added to the giveaway pile that they're just not for me, so I'm just not going to keep them. And then the other two at the bottom, the sayings, I was like, I'm not sure that I'll even use the sayings, but what I liked about them was the gold foiling shape to it. And so my goal here is I'm actually going to fussy cut them out, and I will, especially that one that you see me holding, that pink one, not the purple one, but the pink one there, I could totally see using like a little 2x2 photo and putting a 2x2 photo there and then going on with that and just doing that. So I'm going to go ahead and keep those two. I am going to keep this full sheet. I will not be using it as a full sheet at all. It's too much for me. But my goal for that one is I actually think I will, again, go ahead and fussy cut that out and do a layout for that. So I've got plans on that one. I'm going to keep this one. I do like this one. I think it's because there's a white background, so it's got a nice breath of fresh air in the background. So I do like that piece. The orange one, surprisingly enough, so let's see if you see me do that orange one. I think I kind of went through those being like, you're going to see me cut the rest of them out because that's my goal there. And there's that pink one. I do put that one aside, but little secret, that one's going to end up coming back. And then like that little piece is just going to get tossed. And then now you're getting into that blue one, which I love. That one's definitely staying for me. And then I have a couple pieces that I had used in the original two layouts that I had done. I'm going to keep those just on hand. And then that blue greeny one, I don't think I'm going to use it, so I'm going to go ahead and put that aside. And then I just have the rest of the cut apart. So I'm kind of looking at the ones I want to keep. You're going to see me kind of like point them out there. This orange one had a lot I wanted to keep, which is surprising because I don't think orange is one of my colors. And then this one as well, that 2x2 stripe, like bottom one, like whatever, that line of 2x2s, I had ideas going in my head with that one, and you'll see actually a layout for my 12 days series coming up. Oh, today is the 1st, so Happy New Year, everyone. But you're going to see a layout made with that one because I had ideas hopping in my head with that. So I'm definitely keeping those, and I'm just kind of showing you which ones I wanted to keep. And now I'm showing you everything I'm going to keep for giveaway. I got everything cut out. So I'm keeping, I think it's 5 pieces of full 12x12 sheets. And then that stack that you see me have right now is going to be in my giveaway pile. And I keep saying giveaway because yes, at the end of the month, I will, have a little giveaway and I'll send those goodies off to someone because I don't want them. I don't want, they're still, and it's not that they're not cool. I'm sure I could find a way to use them. They're just not personally my style, and so I'm going to go ahead and give them off to someone else that could use them. So if you think you are one of those people while you're watching this, just let me know in the comments, and I'll keep that in mind at the end of the month when I go to send it off. And then I also want to start keeping track of what I'm using with these collections. And so I'm just going to write down what the collection is. I know it's the Color Wash collection, so I'm going to go ahead and write that out. And then on it, I write, because in my head at the moment while I was doing all of this, I write the 2x2 layout. I'm going to do a Jackson layout and a Nora layout because there is very blue colors and very purple girly colors. So I am going to go ahead and do a layout that focuses in on each one of them. And then I think there was one more idea that popped into my head afterwards. So like I said, I think I'm going to have 4 layouts this month with this collection. And then I have the 2 already. So that would be 6 layouts with 1 paper collection. And then I will bring in some more. Like I said, I don't have any embellishments, so I'll bring all of that in and just have fun with it. So it's a little bit different. This is going to be a little bit different than everyone else's kits that you see because that's just how I would like to do it this month. And next month could be completely different. I don't know. So we are just going to see how it goes. Baby is coming around the 26th. So we're going to see how everything goes. And that's why I made this easy for me this month, because obviously I can't commit to a gigantic kit right now when there's a baby coming. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you soon with a video with this collection. Bye!